Hello everyone. In this class, we will be learning about pie chart, how to draw the pie chart using Matplotlib. So when we use a pie chart, if you want to know the distribution of the categorical data, then we will be using pie chart. So then by looking at that, we can understand how much percentage that content will be distributed like that. So let's dive into Google Colab, then we do some practical on that, then we'll understand better. Okay, now I'm inside the Google Colab. First step, I will be importing the Matplotlib, right? Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Okay, so first step, importing the Matplotlib. Then I will be generating some data. Okay, I'll need a data to plot the graph. Right. So if pie chart means one categorical data and another one will be the numerical data. So I will write some random name. Okay, like player. Okay, player. So a player's name, I will be writing the player name, players or just player is equal to. I'll just write the data in the list like Dhoni, then Virat, then Yuvraj, then I will be writing, okay, Bhuvi. So this is the player's name I have written. Then I will be writing how many runs they have scored. Okay, runs. I will be writing runs. So then maybe like 80, then maybe 75, then 90, then like 45 runs. So these are the scores they have scored. Okay. So if I want to check that, how many percentage scores they have did it. Okay, or okay, I'll do one thing. This one I will make 160. Okay, 160. I will execute that. Then if I want to plot the pie plot, then I will be writing plt dot pie. Then I will be passing the data. Okay, so I will be passing the runs comma label. Okay, so labels is equal to, I will be passing the player name. Okay, player. Okay, then I will be write. Okay, I'll just execute this one. Then plt dot show. You can see here, this is how we can plot the pie chart. So here we can say that Yuvraj has scored more, then followed by these two things, Virat and Dhoni, like that. Okay, then least run will be Bhuvi. So if I want to check the percentage, correct. So here Virat and Dhoni almost similar. If I want to know the percentage distribution, then I have to, it has to visible, right? Then for that I will be using auto percentage. Okay, auto PCT, you can use it. Then you can write the percentage symbol. So 1.1 percentage, you can use it 1.1 F. Okay, then I will be using auto percentage. Okay, so auto PCT I will be using. Then write this 0.1 F. Then if I execute like this, I can see that. So in the overall content, 44% will be this, 22% will be this, 20% will be this, and 12% will be this guy. So this is how we can provide the percentage, or we can get the percentage as well. Or else if you want to change the colors of this, then we can mention color is equal to, I can write red, okay, green, black, then blue. I'll just write B. Sorry, Okay, I will re-execute this. I'm getting error. Then the colors. Okay, you can see here black, green, red, green, black, blue. Like this, it will be coming. Instead of black, you can put yellow. Okay, this is yellow. Instead of this, I will go with the blue. Okay, so this is how you can change the color also. This is how you can plot the pie chart. So this is one categorical data and this is the numerical data. So this is how we can plot the pie chart. I hope you learned something new. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.